Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how I created this look by using products under rupees 300. So first I'm taking the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil, which for the very first time I'm using. So yeah, I really love the pigmentation, and that I have already showed you in my haul video. You should definitely check the haul video first. I absolutely love my brows. It was so waxy, amazing guys. 10 out of 10 for this particular eyebrow pencil. Then I'm taking the SFR Just My Luck palette, which is exact dupe of the Colourpop palette. However, I haven't used this palette before on my eyes, so this would be my first impression on this palette as well. The dark green shade was quite good. I mean the pigmentation is okay, I would say, क्योंकि palette में बहुत ज़्यादा dark दिख रहा था ये green, but when I applied it on my lid it was like quite off green, but still it was okay. There were not much fallouts, थोड़ा सा ही fallouts हुआ. And then I blended with the minty green shade, which was very chalky, and I was totally pissed because blending बिल्कुल भी अच्छे से नहीं हो रहा था. So I tried to mix with the green shade and finally blend हुआ. So I went for the cut crease because honestly guys तब तक मेरे को बिल्कुल भी idea नहीं था what I was going to do, but I was just going with the flow. I took the same minty green shade and applied throughout the crease area. It was very chalky to be honest, but I tried to pack it up. Then I went for the shimmery yellow shade, which was quite buttery to blend it out. I absolutely love the shimmery shade. Next I'm taking the Mars mascara, which I'm again very excited to try it for the very first time. So please ignore my scary face while I'm applying the mascara. So first coat में इतना कुछ पता नहीं चला, but by the time I went for the second coat I saw there was a difference in the volume of my lashes. Yeah, I'm quite happy. Like according to the price, this does the job. I'm quite impressed. For my base makeup, I went for the Swiss Beauty highlighting primer, which is again a very good dewy finish primer. It's a lovely primer guys, I absolutely love it. Then I went for my Fit Me foundation. I did a little cheating because I couldn't find any foundation under rupees 300 which is suitable for my skin tone. I went for the shade golden caramel and mix it with 310 sun beige, and I know it looks quite yellow, so I'm going to fix it with the Stay Quirky concealer. And I have already made a video about this concealer in my top 5 concealer video, so make sure to check that for the review of it. It's a very full coverage concealer guys, and I absolutely love it. It does not creases at all, so it's the best concealer you can get under rupees 300. To set my concealer, I went for the Stay Quirky the Nudes Compact Powder. It's a very lightweight compact powder, you can say. It definitely does the job by setting your concealer. I'm just applying the powder wherever I feel that the concealer will crease. Then I went for the Stay Quirky Foundation Contour Stick, which was very much awaited review for me. I am applying it for the very first time. At first I thought that it would be very difficult to blend it out, but oh my god, you can clearly see how beautifully it blended in my skin. For my blush, I went for the Stay Quirky blush. Again, I have already reviewed it in my top 5 blushes video, so make sure that you check that video. The shade that I'm using is quite new for me, applying it for the very first time, and it definitely complements my skin tone. It's a coral pink shade and I absolutely love it how it looks on me. Then I went for the Lakme Iconic Kajal, which is again everyone's favorite, I believe. For my makeup fixer, I went for the Swiss Beauty one because it gives a very dewy and illuminating finish to my makeup. Then I went for their lashes, and it does not look plasticky at all. It does gives a very luxurious feeling to the lashes. For highlighter, I again went for the Stay Quirky illuminating highlighter. It's a very good highlighter, I would say. It's a liquid highlighter, which I'm not a very good fan of because you have to blend it quickly as soon as you apply it. Then for the lipstick, I went for the Beauty People's liquid lipstick. I have already reviewed it in my feed, so definitely go check it out. For my lip gloss, I went for the Swiss Beauty new lip gloss, which is my current obsession, and you can clearly see how good it looks on me. It looks very delicious, isn't it, guys? I absolutely love it. So with this, I end up my very affordable makeup look for you all. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and do let me know in the comment section what would you rate this look out of 10, and yeah, don't forget to share it in your stories as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.